Hi YouTube, this is Inga Simone. Today I'm going to show you how I completed this look with jumbo box braids. I also added curls at the end for a little razzle dazzle. You know, it's winter time, so it's protective style time because it is cold. It's been cold over here where I am. It's been raining, snowing, all of the above. So I decided it was time to tuck my hair away. So I put these box braids in. They're very simple. This is very beginner friendly. I use rubber bands because I'm not really the best with gripping my hair, so that helped a lot. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. Alright, I'm starting with my hair already parted. Here I'm going to show you the products that I used. I used this hair from Spectra. It was a 6-pack and the hair was 25 inches long. I have a thread rack that helps me separate the hair. Rock and braid butter from Shea Moisture. Shine and Jam Gel. Touchdown Edge Tamer for the edges. Some clips. An edge brush. Some mousse. Okay, so I took each pack and separated each pack into 4. Each pack made 4 braids. Here I am. I'm going to apply my moisturizer to my hair first. I was trying to do a new method that I don't usually do. I only did it for this one braid and I went back to what I normally do for the rest of my head. So now I'm going to apply the Shine and Jam Gel to my edges, to the ends, or to the roots. Make sure to smooth those roots out. Okay, I split that part into 2 and then I added the braiding hair to go in the middle. Yeah, I was just trying something new, but I didn't really feel that comfortable. Here I am borrowing hair from each strand to make a 3rd one. Here I am adding some gel to the ends of my hair to blend in with the braiding hair. Yeah, I feel like this braid, it turned out nice, but this method, I felt like it took way too long for me personally.
Understand who came up with this or why they felt like it was a good thing to invest their money in. I ask that you take it back because, wow, that is disgusting. I could not imagine eating, just like scooping up Frosted Flakes with marshmallows in it.
That sounds
and just crunching
disgusting.
into both of them. That is just violent. Frosted Flakes is a classic, like, she's one of the reliable bitches that needs no adjustment. And Frosted Flakes quite literally doesn't need anything else.
No.
And some of the girls, you know, may put some fruit in there or some other kind of granola, maybe something like that to jazz her up. Fine. But Frosted Flakes, much like a cinnamon toast, much like a honey nut, you can just eat it. It doesn't need to be jazzed up whatsoever. It's a classic, reliable moment. You save that experimental shit for when y'all be trying to make cereal out of like Airheads and Snickers bars and whatever the fuck else. And I will try it. I will.
Here we are again. Now we were at the front. I'm brushing the edges out of the way because I'm going to tend to them later. Starting with the moisturizer. Now the Shine and Jam gel, smoothing out the roots. Now here's the rubber band. And now I'm just going to start braiding. At first I used the 2 strands and my natural hair as the 3rd one. And then I start to borrow hair from each strand to make a 3rd one and cover my natural hair. And I continue to braid. here we go. One last braid. What is more satisfying than completing the last braid? I don't know. I have no idea. There we go, putting the Shine and Jam gel on the natural hair. Yes, finally finished all the braids. Now I'm gonna oil my scalp with this African Pride oil. It smells so nice. Yes, Here's the Thing is one of my favorite podcasts. Kev on Stage is hilarious. And That Chick Angel. Now I'm going to add some mousse to my hair, so my braids don't look frizzy. That looks like a lot. Now it's time to tame the edges. I end up having to do this every single day. My edges do not lay down, not for long. Okay, now I'm gonna add some rods, some curling rods to the end of the braids, and then I'm gonna dip them into boiling hot water. Yeah, I'm tired at this point. Almost regretting curling it. I almost thought, why didn't I just keep them straight? Well, this is after I dipped them in hot water. The curls came out really, really nice. Well, on this side. I guess the water wasn't hot enough for this side, because this was a complete fail. Didn't really curl at all. I was over it. I'm putting the rods back on because I have to re-dip my hair in the boiling water. Yes, I'm over it. But you know, it ended up being worth it. It came out looking really great. It curled up nicely on the ends. And this is the finished look. How do you think I did, guys? I can't stop playing with my hair. Alright, that is all for this video. I think I didn't do a bad job. It's not perfect, but I think I can make it work. Some braids are curlier than the others. I have one that didn't really curl that much, but I'll fix it another time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.